Time to install your new car battery. You've got this. Safety check. Is your car parked, turned off, and keys out of the ignition? Has your engine cooled? Then let's get started. First, make sure you have the right tools. You'll need gloves, safety glasses, your vehicle's owner's manual, your new battery, and a wrench or ratchet. For the best performance, you may also want battery cleaning and anti-corrosive solution, cleaning cloths, and a wire brush. With your safety gear on, pop the hood and locate the battery. You should consult your owner's manual as necessary for any specific guidance for your vehicle. Identify the terminals. The negative terminal may have a black cap, and you'll see a minus sign near it. Always start with the negative terminal. Using your wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal and pull the cap out of the way. Next up, the positive terminal. This one usually has a red cap with a plus sign. Same as before, loosen the nut and pull the cable aside. Protect the positive cable end and keep it from touching anything that could ground it and cause damage to onboard computers. Carefully remove the battery and set it out of the way. If your connectors could use a cleanup, take a moment to spray them with battery cleaning solution, scrub them down with your wire brush, and wipe them dry. These will need to be rinsed with distilled or deionized water before drying them off. Make sure everything is fully dry before connecting your new battery. Carefully set your new battery in place. Make sure to position the positive terminal near the positive cable and the negative terminal near the negative cable. Remove the terminal covers and spray with your anti-corrosive solution. Reconnect in reverse order, starting with the positive terminal this time. Using your wrench or ratchet, tighten the nut until it's secure. Now the negative terminal. That's it! Now just take your old battery back to Costco for recycling and to receive your core refund.